Yes, ma'am.
I'd like to mention during item number 15 and 16.
Yes.
Which matters can come up after the litigation, and for the
Okay, ma'am. On the prayer of MS Luceno, the learned counsel for the petitioner, let the case be listed after the vacation. Yes, ma'am.
mention, I think
12. Yes. After vacation. Okay. On the prayer of MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the appellant, list the case after vacation. Okay.
so what you
Yes, ma'am.
mention during item number 10.
Huh.
It's a consensus prayer.
Okay.
It only gets the letter will be still after 3 weeks.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
For orders.
May I please, your worship? Information item number 13. If this matter may be considered after 2 weeks,
This is 13 and 14.
13.
13 and 14.
13 and 14 is together.
13 and 14. You are the counsel for the,
Respondent. Judge.
you're mentioning on behalf of Taka Kichu?
Yes.
Okay. MS so learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Taka Kichu, the learned counsel for the respondent number 17, and seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Correct? Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay. Yes.
For admission, item number 1.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
I'm appealing for respondent number 3, lordships.
Yes.
By order dated 19/12/2025, I was directed to submit the latest report with regard to the uploading and upgradation of the Aadhaar card of the beneficiaries in the Ishant record lordship. So as of the latest, I have filed my affidavit in my compliance this morning. So lordship, as of 19th to 2025, the beneficiaries that were uploaded were 1,25,988. This was placed on record, lordship. And the compliance that I filed this morning, that it reflects number of 1,50,188 lordships.
It's,
This one, no?
you have filed this affidavit only this morning.
Yesterday I had filed, but there was some error detected in the e-call.
Have you received the copy? Okay.
I served all the copies to all the parties.
This is 18 June. What to do now, ma'am? Yes, and the others, the affidavits are ready. Ah, you are pro forma. And what about Mr. Young or what? You have already filed. Madam, which order, in terms of which order, Madam Appeal?
19 to 2025.
19 to 2025. Mr. LT, you have also filed. You have not filed. You will not be filing. We'll record that.
Yes.
Lordship, actually, lordship, by humble submission, this matter was pertained to only the COVID time, 2020, March to November 2020, wherein the Anganwadi centers were closed down. And that is how the food items were being given on the take-home ration. So that was a grievance being addressed in the petition, lordship. And whereby I have filed ample of affidavits in compliance with, in line to the ministry direction as well as the state of government. So comprehensive affidavit I have filed.
So, madam, let them just go through, since you have filed the affidavit only this morning, I think maybe.
Those affidavits were way back, but this morning affidavit is just pertaining to the Ishant record of.
That's why, just let them go through the affidavit and address the court.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordships.
In terms of the order dated 19/2/2025 passed by this court. Ms. Apila,
CPC was also supposed to say CPC and extension list instructions. Which has been.
yes, CGC by which order, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, by this order, CGC was also asked to, I think. So whether you have taken steps.
Regarding acceptance of utilization certificates.
Kindly place on record.
As long as it's also because our program already sent a letter to the ministry.
Okay.
I'm not fully compensated.
Kindly tell Mr. Yangarwati to place the acceptance of utilization certificate by the Union of India on the next date, okay? Yes, ma'am, what is it? MS Apila Sanctum, the learned council submits that the respondent number 3 has filed the affidavit dated 18/6/2025, which it is submitted has been served to the counsel for the petitioner as well as the counsel for the other respondents. MS, your good name, ma'am? MS Api. MS Api, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that since she has received the affidavit only this morning, she would like to go through the same and address the court. And therefore seeks for a short date. Therefore seeks for a short adjournment. In terms of the order dated 5/2/2025, Mr. Yangarwati, the learned CGC, shall also place the instructions as regards the acceptance of the utilization certificate by the central government, which has been submitted by the state government and as ordered by this court on 11/2/2024. Mr. LT Sanctum, the learned additional AG, submits that it will not be necessary for the state to file the affidavit. State. Now, it will not be necessary for the state, particularly for the respondent number 2 and 4, to file the affidavit. Stop. List the case after 2 weeks. Okay, kindly tell Yangarwati.
For admission, item number 2.
Item number 3, my lord.
Yes.
We are, I want to.
Do you want to say item number?
It's the course. Okay. Affidavit, you are the for the petitioner, ma'am.
Yes.
You are filing affidavit in reply or?
No, they filed after the regarding the compliance with the court order, setting up blood bank in 4 more districts. So the petition was directed to file an affidavit, whether they are satisfied with the.
On the basis of which order, Mr. N. Muslim? 19/2/2025.
Yes.
Yes, just wait. Okay, Leonard Council for the petitioner should file rejoined. So you are filing your additional affidavit today? MS so-and-so? Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in the light of the order dated 19/2/2025 passed by this court, she will be filing the affidavit in the course of the day. List the case after a week.
No.
Okay, list the case after a week.
For admission, item number 3.
May I please your lordship, am I audible, my lord?
Speak.
Am I audible, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, before I would like to make 2 points clear in this matter. My lord, may I kindly see the last order dated 2nd of April 2025.
Okay. Yes. What is your submission?
My lord, kindly see 2nd of April 2025 order para 8. This code, the operating portion is this. This code, however, observes that if any appointment is made on the basis of the amending act of 19 as well as the amending act of 2022, the same shall be subject to the outcome of the present proceedings. The affidavit be filed by the state on or before 25th of April, 25th of April. The petitioner herein, if so advised, would be at liberty to file reply affidavit.
Okay. Have you filed your affidavit?
My lord,
Okay.
your lordship. Now, what happened is that they didn't file their affidavit in opposition as per the order of the Honorable High of this court.
They have filed the affidavit.
No, they have filed the affidavit subsequent on the day the sealing was of 25th of April because
Mr.
the
Don't make
order was
unnecessary
not taken.
submission. They have filed affidavit. We'll listen for
My-
hearing.
No, my lord, let me make 2 points clear. 2 points clear.
In terms of the order passed by this court.
My lord.
14/5/2025, the learned government advocate, the learned additional AG has filed the affidavit. Pleadings are completed. List the case for hearing after a week.
Your lordship, I will say with all my humility, it is very
Yes.
preposterous.
Yes.
Your lordship is let us not record my submission also.
Yes.
Your lordship has
You
not
have
recorded
listed
my
for
submission.
hearing. What more you want?
No, my lord, I want to make a point clear.
Just close it. List it.
Pardon, my lord?
Item
Yes.
number 4.
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
The extension order is still issued. So we are not kind of iron between the
MS so learned counsel for the petitioner submits that during the pendency of the writ petition, the detention of the petitioner, the detention of the detainee has been further extended. By which order? By the order dated 9/6 2025, issued by the Chief Secretary, the Government of Nagaland. In terms of the order passed, in terms of the order dated 9/6/2025, MS Swenson, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that she would like to file an additional affidavit bringing the order dated 9/6/2025 on record. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks. The order dated 9/6/2025 shall be placed on record. Okay.
For admission, item number 5.
Yes.
This is simply starting working.
Okay.
Proceeding.
What about Mr. Muli?
My lord, I have my top on the fifty in front of the ministry of Homeland.
To which respondent?
Oh.
Respondent number 4. Okay.
I'm ready for the
Mr. V. Jamomi, the learned government advocate for the state respondent 1, 2, and 3 submits that he has received the instructions and will be filing the affidavit in 2 weeks' time. Stop. Mr. Zatanguli, learned CGC for the respondent number 4 submits that the draft affidavit has been sent for vetting. Leaves the case after 2 weeks for enabling the respondents to file their respective affidavit.
For orders, item number 6.
Yes.
Notice upon respondent number one is still to written.
Okay.
So I think that there's nothing that we can say after the
Okay.
petition.
Who is R1, ma'am? Okay. Tanjung. Office note dated 16/6/2025 shows that return service notice upon respondent number one is still awaited, listed after 2 weeks.
For orders, item number 7.
Yes, what is it?
Directing this appeal against the eviction order, maybe we haven't filled the tree. That's why the.
Limitation.
Yes, the IS for recommendation. Or should there's a delay of 4 weeks.
Ma'am, any objection to the limit?
Complainant has indicated as postponed.
Is it a POXO case?
Yes.
Okay, okay,
Section 6 of the book.
okay.
But the delay we consider today.
No. I think we have to hear the victim.
Without hearing,
Yeah.
it's taken out.
That Mr. Tushiolung Kumar, the learned counsel for the applicant. This application has been filed under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963. Praying to condone the delay of 484 days in filing the connected appeal. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. MS Mary. Madam, you are appearing as PP,
Yes, yes.
the learned SP,
PP.
the learned PP accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number one. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the state respondents. The learned counsel for the applicant shall, however, serve the requisite copies of the application to the learned PP when in the course of the day. Insofar as the respondent number, who is 2 and 3? 2 is the victim and 3 is the. Insofar as the respondent number 2 and 3 are concerned, the learned counsel for the applicant shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents. True? No. Through the officer, in fact, it should be, in fact, it should be routed through the office of the public prosecutor. Notice be issued on the respondent number 2 and 3 through the officer in charge of which police station? Kohima?
Not PS.
Yes.
The officer in charge, not PS Kohima. To be routed through the here you are saying not PS.
In your course title, it's not PS.
Not PS. Yes, ma'am, what was that? What was that? Not PS. Oh, no, woman said. Not PS, woman said. We just give this. We not PS, woman said. We give. Yeah? Not PS, officer in charge, not PS, woman cell. Woman cell. To be routed through the office of the public prosecutor, Gauhati High Court, Kohima Beach. on receipt of the service, the officer in charge, not PS Women's Health, shall file a report stating service of notice upon the respondent number 2 and 3. Okay? Okay.
For orders, item number 8.
My lords, I'm appearing for the petitioner in this case.
No, sir.
Yes, you have not filed your.
Yes, sir. I'm under reduction of no, sir. I have, yet to receive instructions, sir.
We give you last day,
Oh,
last opportunity. Okay.
oh,
You have for the respondent number,
all those.
Mr. Zad Kulnu, the learned counsel for all the respondents, is given 3 more weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. It is made clear that no further adjournment shall be granted in the case. Listed accordingly.
Great.
For orders, item number 9.
We issue notice. The opposite party number 1 and 2. These are only pro forma opposite party. Who is the main opposite party?
The petitioner in the petition number 91,
In your course title? Appellants. Writ petitioner respondent, Union of India Kohima. Applicants. Okay, opposite party number 1, pro forma opposite party, okay. 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 Mr. V. Debnat, the learned counsel for the applicant. The present application has been filed under Section 5 of the Limitation Act, read with the Gauhati High Court rules for continuation of delay of 294 days in filing the connected appeal. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. The learned counsel for the applicant shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent by registered post with AD within a period of
2 days.
2 days. Okay.
From the supplementary process, for orders, item number 17.
Yes, what is?
yeah, this,
Yes,
let me grant 2 sentences for 900. I for respondent number 1 and 2.
1 and 2, and Mr. Young, your
Respondent number 4, and I've received a notice.
you have received the instructions?
No. I've received a notice from the petitioner only last week, so if my address to be,
If
my address to be.
Yangarwati, he is not here. You are not Yangarwati. Okay, anyhow. You're for respondent number? 4, okay. Mr. Kianga, here you were appearing as PP or a senior government advocate? Mr. Kiangami, the learned senior government advocate, as well as Mr. Your good name, representing Mr. Yangarwati, the learned CGC, are both granted 2 weeks' time.
4 weeks time we begin because this is my first parent.
Both granted 3 weeks' time, okay, 3 weeks' time to file their respective affidavit in opposition. Stop. The registry shall reflect the name of Mr. Yangarwati, learned CGC, as the learned counsel for the respondent number 4 in the daily course list. Yes.
For hearing, item number 11.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm appearing for petitioner in this case. I seek some time to argue this case, Your Lordship, because of personal difficulty.
Good. You are Mr.?
I am Lokesh Kumar, PPNIA.
You are Mr.?
I am Sir Lokesh Kumar, PPNIA.
What is your prayer? You are not visible.
I think, sir, there is some technical glitch.
What is your prayer?
I'm just seeking some time to argue the matter.
To
To argue the matter, I'm just seeking the time.
Mr. Lokesh Kumar, learned PP NIA, 6 for 2 weeks' time to argue the matter. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Grateful.
Okay.